Hey everyone, this is Kevin with Master Odor Removal. We're here in Roswell today working on a Porsche Taycan, which is, I believe, this is the electric version of the sedan that they've got, but beautiful car. The only issue is that this is one's actually getting ready for delivery, but the former owner, they were vaping in this one. So there's a really sweet, weird smell. It's just the unique, whatever flavor they were using with the vaping, and I'm not a vaping expert because I don't do it myself, but it's